My favorite, however, was probably the Bintl Brief. Those were letters to the editor of the forwards. And people came over as immigrants. And in Europe, the value system in the shtetl was the same. And if you had a problem, you went to the Rebbe, and he solved your problem. They came to the United States, and they didn't have this. So they wrote letters to the editor of the forwards. And he saw that there was a human interest story there. And so he started publishing them, and he would answer that. And what I did is somebody would read a letter. They have been translated. And then the audience would try to solve it. And then we would read the solution that the editor did and compare it and why it was different. And that was a lot of fun to do.